If you have a Squarespace website and you're walking through my pre-launch checklist, welcome back. And if you don't have a copy of the checklist yet, I'll drop a link below in the description so you can grab it. Okay, this will be a pretty quick video. I'm here in the Squarespace Rotate template, but in a lot of the starter templates that you get with Squarespace, if you scroll to the bottom, you'll notice that somewhere at the bottom it says Made with Squarespace, and there's a link to Squarespace. Now, there's nothing inherently wrong with having it here, but it does make your website feel kind of DIY. So all the designers you know actually remove this Made with Squarespace. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. On any page of your website, you're going to click Edit. That's going to pop you into the editor. And we're going to scroll down to the footer where it says Made with Squarespace. We have to click to edit the site footer. This part of the website appears on every page of your website unless you've turned off the footer. So any changes we make here will be reflected across the website. And all we're going to do is we're going to highlight this text and just hit delete on our keyboard. So you can see it did some weird things here. So now this is something you need to be aware of. It popped this up higher. So we're going to just drag, rotate down so it actually appears underneath these text blocks. Unless you want overlapping elements, you want to make sure that the blocks don't overlap. And let's go ahead and just check it on mobile view. It looks great. So we are good there. And you can also use that space where the text was to add a copyright. I've shown you that in an earlier video, or a privacy policy, and I'm going to be showing that in the next video. So definitely check those out if those are things you'd like to do. All right, when you've checked it looks good on desktop and on mobile, go ahead and click Save and Exit, and that's all there is to it. Nobody needs to know that you started with a Squarespace template. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up or drop a comment below as it helps other people discover my videos. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.